There's a little known passive income side hustle that's already paid out over $78 million that you probably never heard of. This side hustle is 100% beginner friendly and allows you to make monthly recurring income. And this is the same business model that we use to make a really nice daily income from the comfort of our own home every single day, even if we're not working. And the best part is I have no course, I have no coaching program that I'm trying to sell you. And if you just smash the like button, share this video with a friend that would like to do this with you or by themselves, and then drop a comment down below once you've done that, I'll share with you the private link to unlock my free step-by-step course that I'm doing 100% free. This is your chance to finally break free and start seeing results without feeling overwhelmed or feel like you're stuck at a starting line. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be helping small business owners, think of like a plumber, electrician, massage therapist, orthodontist, dentist, get more clients. But the crazy thing is you don't have to know anything about getting more clients for this business. And why is that, you might ask? All we're doing is sending the small business owners to a marketing software that's going to do all the onboarding and all the support 100% for you. And you just get paid a monthly recurring commission as long as the business owner stays on the platform. This is literally the ultimate passive income side hustle to start making money online if you have no marketing experience, no tech skills, and no money to get started, and allows you to get monthly reoccurring passive income. This is the easiest sale you'll ever make because you are literally selling a free service to all these business owners. All you have to do is tell them that you're going to get them more clients for their business so they can make more money. They get started with the free trial software. They will be able to join a free live bootcamp to help them get everything set up for their business. Then they're going to jump on a free one-on-one kickoff call to make sure everything is set up the right way so that they are seeing results, which all these little free services that this is offering will help convert these small business owners into monthly paying clients, which in turn will get you paid in monthly recurring commission just for referring them to this simple free service. So now that you kind of understand the process, go ahead and smash the like button and share this video with a friend and drop a comment down below so you can get my free step-by-step guide with no high ticket coaching program or upsells or anything like that. Let me just show you guys this simple business in a nutshell. What we're doing, as I mentioned, is we're working with small business owners, literally any type of business owner in your area, restaurant owner, a therapist, a dentist, and then we're sending them to a simple marketing software where we'll set them up on a free trial where the marketing software does all the setup, all the onboarding, all the support, everything for us. So when the client converts into a paying member, this will become passive income that you're making on a recurring basis. And the cool thing about this software is that they pay a 40% reoccurring commission for the life of the customer as long as they stay on the software. This is one of the most lucrative sales commissions that I've ever seen in my life. And this software company has now paid over $78 million to people just like you and me that are referring small business owners to their software. So with that being said, let me just show you guys how I'll go through and find these small local business owners to send them to this marketing software. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our search browser tab, Google Chrome over here, and we're going to actually search up local businesses in our area. So for me, I'm going to search local businesses in Phoenix, Arizona. If you scroll down to see the map right here, you can actually click more businesses, and this is going to show all the businesses in your area. Each red dot is a single business, and these are all plumbers. Now remember, this works for any single local business. It doesn't only have to be plumbers. The reason that we're focusing on plumbers is because, as you can see here, we have numbers next to each of these plumbing companies. And let's say that something happens with my plumbing. Well, I would want to call the top plumbing company, which happens to be this company right here. By the way, statistically, 62% of businesses don't pick up the phone when you call. If they don't pick up the phone, the potential customer will most likely go on to the next one, and then the next one, and then the first plumbing company that actually picks up is the one they're going to use. Now, how can we solve this for businesses? Well, we can actually pitch something called an AI employee. And basically what it is when someone goes and calls the plumbing company and they don't pick up, it'll actually put them on the phone with an AI employee that's going to get their information, it's going to get their name, their email, their phone number, and it's going to get what they're calling about. And then it's going to relay the information to the business. In that way, instead of losing the client and losing all the money, it can actually give them a call back and fix the problem. As you see, a lot of these companies paying for sponsorships are not getting their money's worth because people are calling them, and when they don't pick up, they lose the client, and that's lost ad revenue. So I'm actually going to show you a demo from Alex Kenny using this exact feature.
Hey, you have reached Shinefy. How can I help you today?
Hey, I was just wondering where I can get all the free bonuses.
That's a great question. I'll make sure Alex addresses that when I connect you. Can I confirm your name and contact information first?
Yes, my name is Alex and my phone number is 480-625-6556.
Thanks, Alex. I've got your number as 480-625-6556. Let me connect you.
So now as you can see, it's calling me because that's the forwarding number where it's calling to.
The future is here, guys. So the AI robot will grab your contact information, it'll answer your questions, and then it will give a call back so that when the worker's done or somebody is actually near the phone, they can actually go ahead and pick up the phone and call them back right away. The other cool part about this is that since this is a CRM, you can actually grab the stuff that you get from the AI robot, the name, the email, the phone number, and you can actually throw it automatically into a contact. So not only are you picking up the phone with an AI robot that's actually going to answer for you and grab contact information, but that contact information is going to get sent automatically into your contacts so that you can start building an email list that we can give to businesses and business owners and say, hey, guess what? You know all those leads you're missing out on? Well, I'm going to make sure that the AI robot answers the phone, grabs the contact information so that we can call them back and follow them up with automated emails as well. That is basically how that works. So what you can do is go to these local businesses and say, hey, sometimes you guys don't pick up the phone, whether you're closed, whether someone just doesn't get to the phone because they're at a job site or busy, and they're losing out on that client and hundreds of dollars. So what can they do to solve this? Well, they can get this AI platform right here, and you can show them this video or show a video similar to this, and you can show that this AI will actually answer the phone and actually answer depending on what you say to the AI. This is going to be simple service that you can literally sell to anyone with the free trial, the checklist, the one-on-one call, the onboarding calls. There's literally no reason why these businesses will say no to this offer because they're getting it for completely free. They're going to get set up with this AI software. They're going to get set up with the CRM. And once they get set up with all this stuff, they're never going to want to leave. And the best part is that this is that you don't have to fulfill any of this stuff. Nothing. Once you send a client to the software and they sign up, it is completely 100% passive because not only is High Level going to set up everything for you, but you also don't have to do anything. So you can get another client, 5 clients, 10 clients, 100 clients, 1,000 clients, and you can stack up all those clients. So you're making up to $10, $20, $30,000 recurring monthly commission. Sit back, relax, collect that 40% monthly recurring income because it is for the lifetime of how long they stay on High Level. So you just have to have a big enough offer and you have to give them enough value, and then you have people that will stay forever. Literally, they'll never leave. It's just so much value. If you put up the upfront work and give them something that's valuable like this, and you will actually get to the point where people are not going to cancel, and you're going to be collecting monthly checks for all the clients that you have on this. And you can take a month off and still collect a check because you're getting 40% every single time. And again, you can do this as a complete beginner. Now, if you want to get my free guide to this, we have free courses, free calls with this Discord. This is all you have to do. Like this video, share this with a friend, subscribe, comment down below. We're going to send you a link to all of this stuff. We're going to send you the free course, the Discord, the free checklist, and a bunch more stuff. A lot more. This is 100% free for you. You don't have to spend any money, not a penny, nothing. Put away your wallet. Just comment down below, get the link, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. And with that being said, we will see you in the next video. Have a good day, guys. Have a good week. Have a good month. And we'll see you soon.